Have you ever gotten dressed and you looked at yourself in the mirror and you went, all right, this looks good. I got this. I got clothes on. I'm not exactly going to go out and scare animals and small children, but it's just missing a little something. I can't quite put my finger on it, but it's missing a little something. I've got ideas for you today on how to make most any outfit just look a little bit more stylish. Hi, I'm Dawn. Hey, I'm so glad that you're here today. If you're here for the first time, I hope you enjoy this. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best where we are right now at this stage in our lives. And I really like to show really easy, super simple ideas that anyone can do. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe and let your friends know. I'd really appreciate that. Today we're talking about just making most any outfit just a little bit more stylish. Just giving any outfit just, that little something. There's nothing wrong with the outfit I have on right now. I just have on a plain top, plain blue top, and a pair of jeans. Nothing wrong with that. I could easily throw on a pair of shoes, I added a necklace, and I can leave the house. But I really want it to look like I thought about it. And I'm going to tell you one of the number one things that you can do to add to any outfit is what they call a third piece. So you think about your outfit as the top and bottom. Okay. Don't really think about jewelry. Right now, we're just talking about top and bottom. You're dressed, you have clothes on, you can leave the house and not get stopped by the police. Okay, you got top and bottom on. What else can you add? Add a third piece. Add something else that really makes that outfit look like you thought about it. And we're gonna start with a jacket. Now, if you're following along on my series, How to Build a Better Wardrobe, you know that one of the superstars in my closet are jackets. I love a great jacket, and this is what we refer to as a third piece. And I want to give you a really good example of a third piece. I want you to watch the news. Watch your local news, and especially if you have local female reporters, female weather people. Okay, I want you to watch them, and I want you to notice the difference when you see females on TV, newscasters, sportscasters, the weather people, and I want you to notice the difference between wearing just a shirt and when they put on a jacket. It makes them look, in our minds, so much smarter. It looks like whatever they say, I can trust them because they're smart, they've got a handle on it, and I can trust that the information that they're going to give me is accurate. So I want you to think about that when you're watching the news, when you go to a meeting, anything in that kind of situation. Look for the women who have a jacket on, whatever it is, any kind of jacket. And I want you to think about when you see them, if you go, oh yeah, she's the one I want to listen to. She's the one I trust. That's what a jacket does. It just makes you look a little smarter, but it also makes you look like you really thought about your outfit. That's what a third piece will do for you. It really gives that impression that you gave it some consideration, you gave it some thought, and you said, yep, that's what my outfit needs. So this time, instead of a smart blazer, I just added a fun, colorful denim jacket. And all this really does is this really isn't the business meeting outfit, but it looks like I put my clothes on, I put my top and my bottoms on, and then I said, you know what? Still needs a little something, and it just looks a little bit more pulled together. It just looks like I gave it a little bit more thought. Now, if you're following me at Just Doing My Best on Instagram or Facebook, you've probably seen this sweater before. I love this sweater. And what I did here was, if it's still a little cold out and you want to add a little something, rather than adding something plain, I added a really great pop of color with a long sweater. Again, I just added that third piece that just makes the outfit come together a little bit more and look like I gave it some thought. Now, if I can link some of the pieces that I'm showing today, they'll be below this video in the comments section. But that's really not the point. The point is that you can look in your closet and say, okay, what else do I need to add to this outfit? So now, what if it's a little warmer outside? It's spring and summer. We may not be able to put a jacket on because it may be a little warm. I love a kimono for that, something super light and super flowy. If you are a sleeveless gal, I'm not, over 50, got the flesh flag going on with the arms, so I don't wear a lot of sleeveless, but short sleeve, I could certainly do that. Put a great flowy kimono on over this, and again, pulled together and it looks super smart. Okay, sticking with the third piece just a little while longer. Look, I added now a very thin winter sweater. I've got a little cami underneath. I could easily go out of the house with just the sweater on and a great necklace, no worries. But added the third piece, so I added a great black jacket. All right, you've got the third piece idea down, right? No problems. You're all about adding a third piece, right? Where to start? I would start with a great jacket. This is a great black jacket. Definitely get one that's lined. If you say, oh, Dawn, I am way past black, I'm going to get a great color, fabulous. This would look amazing in a beautiful color like a red jacket or a yellow jacket or white. I have a beautiful white jacket that I love to wear. But I'm going to link in the comments below this video where I got my jacket, but definitely get one lined and get one that needs to be dry cleaned so that you can dry clean it once or twice a season and not have to worry about it maintaining its shape. But if you're thinking that you still want to kick it up a notch, then instead of a plain top with your basic jeans or your basic pants underneath your jacket, add a graphic tee. I love a graphic tee, and they're so easy to wear when you need something just a little bit funkier. You want to just, step it up just a little bit. I could easily throw that kimono over this graphic tee, and it just makes for such a fun look. And if you wanted to add a fun pair of shoes or even a great pair of heels, this would look amazing when you're going out. You have the idea of the third piece, but you need something right now, today. If it's colder outside and you can wear a sweater, a great way to make your sweater look a little bit more stylish is instead of just sweater, pants, necklace, out the door, put your pants on, put your sweater on, and add a great belt to the outside. It is a phenomenal way to make that sweater and that outfit look a little bit more stylish. Are you thinking that your sweater might be a little too bulky to put a belt on the outside? Another great way to make your outfit look a little bit more stylish is to add an inexpensive scarf. And this one has a little bit of red in it, so it would be perfect with a fun red shoe. Instantly more stylish. Couple more quick ideas for your basic white shirt. What if you added a fun scarf to the neck here? And then you can either add those same fun red shoes for an instant stylish look, or add that black jacket and look phenomenal out the door. And always remember, if you need to make any outfit just a little bit more stylish, make it look like you put some more thought into it, instead of grabbing just any old shoe, try to find something, especially when you're buying, try to find something in a bright, beautiful color. You can wear yellow or gold shoes with a lot of things. You can wear red shoes with a lot of things, and it just gives it that little extra thing, that little extra something that makes you excited about it. It puts puts a smile on your face, and that is your best accessory. I hope all of these ideas were very helpful for you. If they were, please give this a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite, and definitely subscribe. Be sure to find me over on Instagram and Facebook at Just Doing My Best and say hi. But for now, please go out today and do your best and be blessed.